say yes, I'm more called by BM Badwam TV, Badwam Jumedino, so what fame now do a video or to her on Jumedian day by 5:30 near Bassa Badwam, Badwam TV in a day, and also sad, and nay, fear day, and sister Sunday be. Oh, yeah, guy, and I'm on board man, and so a lady, or when you know, crush me. So we say, you might day, and Nimnia dreams, and I was say, a bit more to us, so not yes, you know what has saying. Tim, I'm my sister Sunday, baby, I'm will be and Monquasso. Radon koso amom ho ban na de mo ye bi ensimu ye tienen mi ginam e de ama wo mo ya ahosepe na efiada ye de hyase sabre se be ye begingja wa be no nche se tena fie sori ne ko ye adwuma se de ye adwuma ti by 5 wapon ati ase e se wo de ato aso na wo boa wo ho efidie na koso ada ha na nyame ya adom ochena na wo twe ginam de den Awurade nom ye nkwa no ni ahoden na kwoto aba sagana ni to aba eso to aba ntra ho ma afia nkwoto ma na ahwe bia de afia kwoto akono nya no na ape wa akono kwoto de obi anto to na yesa ma me anto na sa ko na impre no so yesa affect e gina mu sa mumu nyina nkwoto na akonso ato na ni diem na otu bi afiri ho ba bia chinyie koso bebre no nkwo ho obi anko prawo obi anko kun wo ho ya aba na ye kwoto ayi mampani ni ayi masebedwafo ntokwa be ne wom abufuo be ne wom ohwe na abufuo bi koso ba bi twe ho firi ho to wie ya na obetena ofie no ahwa Adom TV no ti Adom FM ana akọ social media handle ye de be ma o kama akomatie bi anim ko hwe bibia be mo a obi bibia ba mpeso obi abenya BP wa afia ba mu da bi ti na wo so mo afidie ne da Adom TV ye de be ma boko analysis nie projections ye ma wo na wa hunu de ekro ti mane na ha enim de mutime ye ti enim ye be som kama so de do so no Ahosepe na nyame ya Adom a 1st December mo amunim ne ekoso ye mankuma no from 6 to 13 years nkra ne bi tonyom mane bro so eno ne ye di hu dwuma ma ababedu season 7 ensroma ye shren Adom TV ye kan shroma so ye shren nkra ne tonyom a tese wo mo na kan so anu nyom na nkra yi to ne mi wa ma me kra na papa kra no na amane breso so nkra yi ti meto talent nyame de ama wo mo nyame ya Adom a ya ye audition no yakọ asante ana asante yakọ takrade yakọ enkran ya so sone so judges mo bro so nkra ne ya de enso ya hwe ba ku mienu bi ede obi be ya de ase obi ya sone won so nti nyame ya Adom a 1st December wo wesel small ye power ho ntoma na ye hunu enkra du mienu no a oba be si akan na wi a ye hunu the real winner ewon Shoma season 70 yenkotie wemra ya wazo ya mpa enti nyame ya Adom a 1st December eni akiro 1st December ye Sunday ana ebi 1st December ene 29th tie Sunday ye shia wo wesel small I'm ten kura no mo ya de na ya na nya omonko anso ya na ye wo special artist bia omo so ba be perform ma ye nti ho nyina no da kwasia da ye nhia ewo sales mo ya brantem wanya ni mu atena ohun se de ade no ebesi akọ na metoso dia na ya ye nim sini twani abrante ya Chris ato ye nim no fresh guy de bia na man e crash wo so sa se ne height no se ne color no crash enu azi no bi ka se mi swane na me hwe na mani gye no ho ene nyina ne gye no ho but ontime nka kirango ti Chris ato ne da so no fresh guy onyini da ase de otia na otie bi sa no kama pa na wachire mu de enti aya na nkofo omo tag na so ye gay bi ni azere enti wo de enkotie anu ya wo de ebaye ewo ho.
And I just finished a show called Stars of the Future. I went backstage and there was a fine young lady who approached my door and was in nothing but a coat. Now, as suspicious as that is, because whatever it is, it's always your fault.
Yeah.
So she comes in under the guise of being part of the costume people, and really it was bait. I could have fallen for it. And she was so disappointed that I didn't take her bait. Oh, then she fired her. Let me say I don't want to try, but the truth is the truth. Why would you suddenly take advantage of somebody like that in that moment? Knowing the position you're in. If I did it, it might have come out as a bad story or a different story. Yeah. Well, the young lady swore to me that because I didn't touch her, she was going to spread the rumors and make sure that everybody knows I'm gay. And by the next weekend, I saw it in graphic showbiz. But
wow. Chris, that's no out to say on Rosalind Felly, AD and Commo, and see what you are not. No. Where are the SM fans? SM for life. Shatawali ni wo ye donation. Aba you come be. SM or be 16 or 18 years presla. No wa draw shatter na me ni mu ni ya na nkofo ye drawings bre na ade. Ana bi pa de anodin. But where the hu say shatter na na da so no akwa na yade no fine. Tese fe. Hu ade bo hu say we de ye wa. Ebi mo fine ebi ana ibi kakra wo ho. Ba shatter de we a ba you na draw na de. Ohun ye kwa na say agensem. Additional 20k J akobo bra ye ne ye dodo say ya ne yenya 20k yenya 20k asanka ba na nka bibia unemployment nyina aba form ti shata abayo no draw ne sa no o ma ne 20k so wonye fanko histane shebre Mr. Osika dia ma nko fanko toto wig ne invest it sa shata hu be a waka nti enko hwemra sa de shata 20k kwabra na jikodi pech
Bonjour Chantanio.
Fine, sir. Now what you say?
Ma bajo nyame ado. Mas sisi na me hu say o ba na di artwork bia brem say o ti say me ba interview na o ye ma me. But the way I only make as I don't know say me bisa na say o so be no say we VSHS but on to Lincoln University but also in Tranka. But Baba, what do you? Okay, ma, make sure me watch up on me percent. Me meeting no as say ba come to be around, but Bedaka, Yambe Mofi. I don't know if you go Mofi on Bomba Party. So between I got, I don't know about apartment now about I'm a pay 20,000 be amount now. We are starting the process of a car about why. There were nowhere for now. Also, very brilliant to me. I did away no. At least me feel say I mean supporting me take its responsibility. I think remember some place some more directions now but
no who akra who first no person be not pass why meeting course it was here from na was here from na say akra beti na ko rescue ni me say aka ni nyina wafa o monsika 20,000 Ghana cedis tetene ai 200 million
say you miss my money number so again we do already that the team now has some flex on the hands
When I'm going to talk about it. Okay.
Pacho, director should you me mamma or Bapa kissing me, Shebres is for. Why, what aroma, Mummy and once. Why not? Shebres is for. The baby, dear, Mr. Guardian as the baby director. Hey, Shebres is halfway. Why wouldn't you radio? And me dear Chira, you better my dear Chin. And more about Mumu, the way be a ye. Now, wouldn't there be a war with destiny helper no free back? More about Mumu, the way be an a ye. Only him so draw artwork e dey akoche. Na me asesem ama no. Na Awurade na mesre no. Sasa de dey ama mu kufu. Enso abapa. Na abofra no. Awurade nya ne kese, shata nyame hira. Awurade hira papa. Unya enye nko na wudi. Wodi amma no. Enye we nko ampo nso. Wo ko school no nyame na dom no onya school no a. Na ohia bia no mfre no. Fa no bra pani na ommoa no. Nti no. Eho asem no shata nyame hira papa. Na metwo so na maboyra ye ensamfoforo mu a we eye bim. Maybe free shatter SM for life. Maba bim. Na. Ujejire dum kwa na mrefi. Nanu we no cover by you ono ani jejire. Anu ye na e go for bonyum na efutu no de ma say yenye careful social media nye bibia na o se agidie. You're very careful. When so be address shepe chale for social media ubekwa akire ne nkase. Munye careful mo ani mro bia de. Ye nkotie de nti a stone e de sansemi etuja.
Explain also sometimes is that somebody don't care what it is. You know, we have hardcore fans who believe whatever it is, you know, but it's not. You have to be constructive sometimes, in as much as you're a hardcore fan, to check the reality. Nobody is fighting anybody anywhere against somebody. It's not correct. It's not accurate. If it is accurate, it's not accurate. You know? So I'm not an industry boy per se, and I can't see myself as such. So I've always just smiled and moved on over that conversation. But it's good that I pin it because it's somewhat becoming a certain reality.
To what you am for we dia na nyum foforo ya abai nye you know na anu ya die na dia abai na wo che say breast cancer awareness song awareness no create ti sa nyum na oye also nti breast cancer awareness and o promote you say bia wo so akeke say bia fa no world cup nkofo ogu so wo mu de na wo compare na say wo de ne de e do so no na tim say ko wo so kura say body na wo so nya de na wo so e bi mu de on wo so ogina ho kura keke no ye say keke kura na wo so nyankopon ye super but obi ane ne de e bia nka me de ne koye over nke ye hu ti de wo bia no mo ani so nti enkotie stone enchiremu.
This Jiggle and Wine song,
yeah,
I saw a video of
for breast cancer awareness. Say I didn't about me person me di kaka no ansana no mu say breast cancer no you to me say ya mu more partners no mo check it even the women themselves they can check if there are lumps and intimation am so no iti aya wo so a obetuma wo say wo so a to bibi dem abehu sometimes who say a course no ayi so they are very also music
but it's funny how you are taking your time to describe
yes because it's a fact it's a fact. Oh, mekobo show no also who say yes no obi on stretching a form of exercise. Also because if you have it na say those one you must say inti way or more our sisters who have a lot of
sister
boobs
women bust size go over double D
affects
F J
capsize no
yes
that's what Miss Mano
so nim capsize maybe me am at
that's it. I mean if you
but some breads are fine but the amazing but I used to
until you no mechi me boa until you say also
people go for breast reduction
last time I bought one
abotre
unya bra
I maka o say wo so no me na me de me nyoma ba na me yen chechire me wo so back stretching woso and I'm saying woso
It's actually a very nice James song.
yeah, it's not, it will be, it is, because
no,
people use
it's
it.
actually a very nice James song.
It is. Wow, and well, I say, "Gia, let my jiggle say the body, then my wine is jiggle and the body is wine." It's simple English. It's almost well, let my jiggle say the body, then my wine, and then also, it's very exercisical.
This is Hits.
Any for a year, Sarah, almost was so. And I don't see I was so. Yeah, dear boy. Yes, I shall dear Muka the moon, papa, but ya dear version, beba. And don't panic, eh? I can say, funny, yeah, yes, yeah, dear no. For breast cancer, pay dear stone, okay, and I say breast cancer awareness song, dear. Will be a man so cry among was so. Yeah, no, was so. Na, was so. Hey, Boko. I mean, you know, so. Na, I was a penny. Yen fancy her. As a done your dear, me sure was fine. Now we see yen safa birthday no enfemubium. Sarah saw person me call okay. We are share mo chiro. The enfa nyum na nhemu ne enwo so hwade. Yen hwe de ebe wo so. De oba wo so no body nyina na say de on do gyina wo kra na oyese kekekra na wo so. Hey. Ma me fa birthday celebrant infemu ansa na e wo he Kaswa Beyonce. Birthday no way. Happy birthday, Nkoma Minister Nyameba Erikodro. Happy birthday, Minister Nyameba Erikodro. Erade onshraw, erade nyo kese. Oma osumfra dumu nkwa dumu. Weye enim wa Salome. Ena we show happy birthday. Erade nshaw papa na onyo kese. Ena happy birthday so Nkoma Mrs. Gloria Salom Agbo. Gloria Salom Agbo. Erade onshraw. Onyo kese kusisi obeye kese pa. Former President John Dramani Mahama beni unkwaso. Happy birthday. Nkoma 66 years. Rade emfa fia wosusua ahyehya ma asase so no duro ho. Ahoodin mo sa no nka ho wodi frame no wa fie be mo. Happy birthday. Obi a wudu a woda ne bia no. Ye wo show happy birthday. Say rade nkoso a na onhraw na onyo kese. Wa menya wo de no fache. Me nyina no so ne emfansi. Na say ampofo agye aye krado e de pensempensemu no etwa so medidi afia amankwa tamaklo edase